The length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area a under root 3 centimeter square is. So here it's given the area of an equilateral triangle equal to 9 root 3 centimeter square. Now, as a formula, you must remember that area of equilateral triangle is always equal to root 3 by 4 side square, where s is a side. So for this now I'm going to put here root 3 by 4 side square equal to 9 root 3. So root 3 will cancel. So I'll have my side square equal to 9 into 4. So s equal to under root 9 into 4. So s equal to 3 into 2. So the answer is 6. So this triangle, whose area is equal to 9 root 3, will have a side of 6. This will be 6, 6 and 6. And you need to remember the area of an equilateral triangle, the formula root 3 by 4 side square. For the next one, the area of equilateral triangle is 4 root 3. Area of equilateral triangle of side A is 4 root 3. Therefore, its height is. So what is given to us? It is given to us first side is equal to A. Here side is A. Then it is given to us that area is 4 root 3. So we'll write area 4 root 3. And we must know its height. The height is the question. So area of equilateral triangle, we know formula area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. The area is given as 4 root 3. So we write 4 root 3 equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 will cancel. So I get 4 equal to s square over 4. So 4 into 4 equal to s square. So my side equal to 4. So let me draw the triangle. So this is my triangle. It's an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal. So this is 4, 4 and 4. And I must find the height. This is the height h. Now we have another formula for area of triangle, and that is half base into height. The area is given as 4 root 3. Half the base we know is the side, which is 4, which we have to calculate it here, into height. So we have now this cancels. So 4 root 3 equal to 2h. So h equal to 4 root 3 over 2. 2 root 3 equal to h. Here we use two formulas. One formula, area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 side square. And then we found also area, we know of a triangle is half base into height. The area of a triangle having sides 1 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. So here your A 1 meter, B 1 meter, no, B is 2 meter. And C 1 meter, again 2 meter. So we need the first step to find semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divide by 2. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 2 divide by 2. So the S now is 5 by 2. In the second step we find area. Formula S under root of S. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And we know the S is 5 by 2. S minus A will be 5 by 2 minus 1. S minus B 5 by 2 minus 2. And S minus C 5 by 2 minus 2 again. And we go ahead and calculate this. So we have 5 by 2. And we take the LCM. I'm not going to take the LCM. You do it. You get here 3 by 2. For this bracket you will get 1 by 2, and for this bracket again 1 by 2 after subtracting. So I have under root of 5 into 3, and here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this will be now under root 15. But here group of 2, 1 5 comes out, 1 2 comes out, that's not 5, 2, and here another 2 comes out. So the answer is under root 15 by 4. Hope you know how to subtract, right? 5 by 2 minus 2. How you subtract? Take LCM 2. 5 minus 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4. So 1 by 2 you get. Now 5 by 2 minus 1, LCM 2. 5 over 1 into 2 into 2. So this is 2. So this will be 3 by 2. The perimeter of a rhombus is 20 centimeters. So we have a rhombus where all sides are equal. So I'll call it like x, x and x, all sides equal. And the perimeter they said is 20. That means sum of all the sides. Perimeter equal to 20. There are 4 sides, x, x, x plus x equal to 20. 4x equal to 20. So your x is now 5. So we'll do it again. Draw the figure again. Now the sides will become 5, 5, 5 and 5, and one of its diagonals they said is 80. So this diagonal is 8. We need to find the area of this rhombus. So for this you'll take up this triangle and you'll find the area of this triangle. Your A is 5, B is 5 and C is 8. Semi-perimeter 5 plus 5 plus 8 divide by 2, and the semi-perimeter will come 9. The next step, we know our area equal to under root of S, S minus A, S minus B, and then we have S minus C. So area equal to, we know S is 9, so 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 8. So area 9 into 4 into 4 into 1 square root. So area will be under root of 9 is 3, 4 and 4 will come as 1. So area here is 12. Now the area of this is 12 and the area of the other triangle also will be 12. So of rhombus, there are 2 triangles, so 12 plus 12, and the area will be 24 square centimeters. The sides of a triangle are 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. The length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the longest side is. Let's first go ahead and find the area. So A 4 centimeters, the sides of the triangle, we have B 8 centimeters and we have C 6 centimeters. So first step is to find semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divide by 2, which is 4 plus 8 plus 6 divide by 2, and your S now turns out to be 9. In the second step we need to find area. So area formula S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So your S is 9, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 6. So 9 into 9 minus 4 is 5, 1 and this is 3. So this is under root. So here when we break up, 9 is 3 into 3. We have 5 into 1 into 3. Now it's time to make us groups. So area group of 3 3 will come out as 1 3. What remains inside is 5 and 3, which is 15. So area equal to 3 under root 15. And the second part of the sum says find the length of the perpendicular on the opposite vertex to the longest side. So here is our triangle, and the triangle has got 3 sides. One is 4, one is 8 and 6 centimeters. We need to find this perpendicular on the longest side. This is the longest side. Here 8 is the longest side, and we need to find the perpendicular or the edge on 8. So we start with saying the area. So area of the triangle is half base into height. Now area we already know, we calculated here 3 root 15. So we'll write that 3 under root 15 half. Now the base we are going to take is 8, because we have to find the perpendicular on the longest side. So the base has to be taken as the longest side, and the height h we need to find. So h equal to 3 under root 15 into 2 over 8. So the answer here comes 3 by 4 under root 15 is equal to h. The sides of a triangle are 50, 78 and 112. Find the smallest altitude. So here is my triangle, and the sides are 50, 78 and 112, and I need to find the smallest altitude. Now remember, the smallest altitude will be on the longest base. This you need to remember. Smallest altitude will be on the longest base. So which is the longest base? This is the longest base. So if I take this as my base, this will be my smallest altitude. So first thing, I need to find the area of the triangle. So I have in this case my A is 50 centimeters, B is 78 and C is 112 centimeter. So semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divide by 2, and you do the calculation, you get a semi-perimeter as 50 plus 78 plus 112 over 2, and S equal to 240 over 2, which is equal to 120. Now the second step is to find area, which is under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S is 120, S minus A will be 120 minus 50, S minus B 120 minus 78, and S minus C 120 minus 112. So area is 120 into 70 into 42 into 8, and you break this up, you get the answer 1680 centimeter square. Now we go to the next part of the sum. We know that the area is half base into height. The area we already found 1680. We need to find the height. So which base are we taking? We're taking the base, the longest base. This is 112. Why did we take the longest base here, 112? Because we want the shortest height. So it will be 1680 into 2 over 112 equal to height, and here the height then comes 30 centimeters is the shortest height. If you want to find the longest height, you have to take the shortest base. Like in this sum, this base, this height on 50 will be the longest height. So we do area equal to half base into height. Area is 1680, half. If we take the base as 50, the height that we'll get here now will be the longest height, because we have taken the shortest base.